Was no problem. I'm way too modest. You wouldn't be too modest. Truth is, honestly, you are tremendous scientist, and I'm so lucky to have you working beside me. I look at you as my mentor. Great job. Thank you. That feeling that you're having now, that's the reason I didn't tell my parents about my secret. Because if I know that my powers are not special because of you.
This is nasty.
Yo, he's fucking out.
My sister was like, shut up.
I got your test results. Well, you can go and give them to her because I know for a fact that they're normal. They are. Except for JJ, you're pregnant.